Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Y'all ever see my hair? So I want to kind of tell y'all about it and show y'all of how I kind of did it. I'm gonna let y'all know I really didn't show the whole thing of showing y'all. I showed a little bit of how I kind of do it, and especially it's my first time ever doing box braids. The first time ever doing it. I did it before, but I didn't do it right, and I think it's because of partying. It's because I kept practicing. That's probably why I didn't want to show y'all of the first time. I kind of did a video about it before, but if you're new, I'm gonna say hi. My name is Tiffany. I'm gonna say subscribe and click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all my other social medias be in the description box. See, I'll show you the back of it, of how it looks. It's curly. So I'm gonna just let y'all go and see the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my do my hair. I'm going to be putting some box braids. First time ever did the hair stuff really right when I did it before. The last time I did a box braids, but I never did show it to y'all. And this is just a practice hair that I had left in it because I had just practicing, and also I had practicing on my. Like, see, sorry about the lighting, it's not that really good. My mom kind of had practice on it. It was the same hair that I did, but it's not gonna be the hair. It's a new bag of hair. See, guys, this is the bag of the hair. Y'all might have been seeing these on YouTube of it. So, I never tried these ever. So this is like 9 bags. 9 bags I got. It didn't cost that much. It was like $2.89. Come on, receipt. 49. I mean, so that's how much the bag is, and that I have. This that I got the Shine Jam, so I kind of want to try this out. After that, I'm going to put this in my where to sleep. It was just $3.99, so it's like a large size kind. And so yeah, and I got me some accessories at the hair store. These wasn't so much. Okay guys, now I'm sitting down because I didn't want to snap too long. So yeah, these was like that I got. These was like $29, so it wasn't that much. I was trying to get the one with you wrap around the braids and stuff, so I was trying to get that. Get started on it. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and do this. I thought about, probably might not, but I'm gonna go in the bathroom because I can see in the mirror in the back of my hair. I'm gonna be using this other mirror that I got that I'm gonna use. I don't have another type of mirror. I don't have a big mirror in my room, so it's gonna be hard for me trying to see in the back, so I might have to go in the bathroom and do it. So let's get to the video. And so you'll probably see that I didn't finish my hair because I was like very tired doing it today. So I know today is the next day, so I'm just letting y'all know that I'm gonna be gone today. Me and mom and brother are supposed to go to the mall. I know they're supposed to do. I'm gonna have a mask on. I'm thinking I'm putting gloves on because I'm not trying to touch nothing, especially the door. So yeah, I'm just letting y'all know that you'll probably see that I didn't finish my box braids. Y'all probably saw it. And so, but I see y'all doing when I come and finish it. My mom said she's going to help me to fix the back because I still can't get the back. I didn't put it in tight enough in the back, and now I know what to do is plait my hair up. Y'all probably had saw that I'm going to plait my hair up the back. I'm gonna finish the whole hair first before I do the back. 3 of them and 4 of the braids, about 7 of them. That's the ones that's loose. Right now, how many bags right now I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I got 7 bags now. 7 bags because I had used 2 bags. That was the 7th. That was number 8 and 9 bag. But I gotta go. Now I'm getting ready to kind of get finished the rest of my hair. Today is the 14th. It's Thursday, so I've been on this hair since the 12th. Yeah, I've been on this hair since the 12th. I'm almost kind of done a little bit in the back because it's taking me a while trying to do this. But after that, I'm gonna plait these up, the front part of my hair. I'm gonna plait these up like I did with the back part of back. After that, I'm gonna explain to y'all more because I don't want to make this video this part long. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Y'all might hear the fan, the ceiling in the living room. I'm using the Shine Jam. So yeah, I'm kind of using this and I'm kind of putting it on my finger and going by when I plaiting it up. I don't think I can see it. And then getting the grip of putting it tight, but not too tight because I don't want to pull too tight on my scalp because I don't want to do that. My hair, I'm still new at this, so I'm letting y'all know that. Let me show you the back again. The back part. I don't know if you guys see it. I hope it looks okay in the back. If y'all let me know, put in the comments. And I haven't finished the whole thing at the end of it. After I get done with this, you will see me be done with the whole thing. So I don't want to make this video, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. But I'll see y'all after I get done. Okay guys, I'm in my dining room right now. Some of my hair, I know that I didn't supposed to like put, my mom she the one braid my hair, plait my hair over in front. She did this at first doing when I did the back. I don't know how it looks, but let me know how it looks because I don't know how it looks in yeah, so how many more I got? So I have 3 more bags of something. Let me count it. I think right now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 8 hair left on my own hair. So my own hair is flat. I know I didn't do the back part, the weight in the back of my hair. I didn't do that, so I have to go in the back and fix the ones that's loose, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I think right now it's like, what time is it? It's 12:54 right now. I'm still new at it. I know I didn't show a part of it, that much of it, but yeah, if you're gonna do this, if you do your own hair, plait your hair up, do like that. Do like that. You should do like that. So, but guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell y'all that I'm taking a break right now. Resting my arm. I'm gonna give me some snack on. I got my kelp on my head because of this hair, so it don't be touching my neck. I don't want to sit on it, so I've been cut the ends of it. So before I, before I put in the hot water, I mean, I'm trying to say, what is that? I'm in the light. Hey guys, I know the light is so bad in here, but my bad, y'all. I might let me go get my thing. Okay, guys, right here, I kind of had put my hair in one of the bags because it was kind of dripping, so I had it in there. So I would just want to let y'all know. I know I didn't do no voiceover at the beginning, so I want to let y'all know right here. Another thing, I put this on. Y'all might know what this is. That I kind of put this into it so I can kind of help it. I didn't have the other type of stuff they had to put for the when you do it. So and after that, I put the bag back on my head, but I kind of didn't sleep in the bag because it was kind of sweating my head a little bit. But so yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have to like turn this fan on because it's kind of hot a little bit in my room because I got this lamp on. The sun don't want to come out, so let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks in this. See, I had to fix that and get this fixes right. So you'll probably see the hair that I did. I curl it at the end of it. I kind of decided I was gonna like braid it all the way down, but I didn't want to do that. First, I had cut something. I didn't really show it to you. I forgot to show you the whole thing of when I bored, hot water and stuff. My mom kind of helped me. So I still got more bags. I have right now, this is the one that I had left. Because this is the one I had opened, the last thing I had opened, like yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 left bags, and I'm done with my hair. I did it yesterday. I got it from at the hair store doing on the 2nd. That is hair. On the 2nd, I got this hair on the 2nd, and yeah, I did this hair on I didn't do this hair on the 2nd. I got this hair on the 2nd. Oh my god, I thought this hair gonna look so bad. But I mean, I got the bag of hair doing on the 2nd of this. The products that I'm going to show y'all that I had put in my hair, because I think I already showed a little bit, but I'm going to show it to y'all again. The hair, I put this one. They said it's really good to hold the hair really good, and it works, y'all. It do works really good. So and also I kind of got this one. This is like for to help the itchy scalp and stuff. and
it's for like, you know, for longer locks faster, massage, like moisturize, help for breakage, and for great for braids, locks, and twists. So you have to massage.
I had put it up. I had put it on a minute ago, an hour ago, before I started doing the name of it that I had. I think I didn't show you really good, but this is what it says that it has in it, and this is what it says on it, that it is really good to lock and stuff, lock it up, and also like you curl it. And I show y'all the whole thing of how I did it, but I show a little bit of it. But the thing was kind of messing up, and my arms was kind of, it was probably because my arm was hurting, my hand was hurting, and I kept bending on it. But I had took a break for, I took some breaks. I thought this hair was gonna look so bad when I did it, but I'm so proud of myself. I'm about to cry because I feel like I thought that I was gonna be able to do it, but I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Today, I think I did. I don't think I had showed y'all at the end. I had put some of this on my head. This is why I put it on my head, and so yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. Let me know in the comments, and next time when I do another one, when I do it, I will show y'all of how I did it. Should have had like put rubber bands on my hair, so next time I'm put rubber bands. Like this video, comment below. Did y'all do something like this? Curl like your, because I didn't have to add nothing in there. I just kind of curl the ends with a roller. Subscribe if you're new, so you know more videos, content videos. I would do hair videos like these, like this sometimes. If I'm here, and follow me on my social media. They'll be in the description box. But I see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. I love his hair. Oh, I look. Hey. Bye, y'all. Also, I forgot to tell y'all is that if you want to be featured in my shout out in my next video, just let me know. Put in the comments. Follow me on my channel, my social media, so you can, and do a shout out on like you watch my video on like, you know, Instagram and Twitter, so I know that you have been watching my videos, and I give you some shout outs on my videos, because I forgot to tell y'all that, and I just have to tell y'all that. So again, see y'all later.